So what is an adjustment? So understand you're here, Dr. Chiropractic from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. So what is an adjustment? Well, this is your wonderful spine. And what we look for, what I look for as a chiropractor, is I look for where the joint is misaligned, where it's subluxated. Once I find that subluxation, I need to get that joint moving properly again. Because the reason for getting that joint moving properly is so that I can get the nerve to fire properly. Because when it does, then it's going to work. It's going to sort of make a connection with that muscle or cell or organ, and it's going to help it to work properly. So what I'll do is I will go in there and I will locate it, and either using my hands or using an activator, I will basically put a very, very fast stretch through that joint, through that muscle. What that will do then is that will allow the joint to relax. It will reduce the inflammation. It will improve the movement back in the joint, and it will sort of obviously give you pain relief as well. So that is what an adjustment is. An adjustment is a very, very controlled sort of movement of the joint that is not moving properly, so that it gets full function and you get the reduced inflammation and pain relief. Check out our website, check out some of our YouTube channels for more information, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and I look forward to seeing you and helping you.